Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app, then if your headphones connected, it will open for you the headphones menu. You need to scroll down, and right here we have voice prompts line. Tap at this line, then click at the language, and now select the best language for you. Let's say I want to swap to the Deutsch, so I tap at this line, click apply, and now we need to wait. Don't use your headphones, just wait until this update finished. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!